Happy Gopashtami. This is the day when Balkrishna started grazing cows in Vrindavan. Shri Krishna जब 6 साल के हुए तो he thought that he should get into work and help Nand Baba. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't and let's uncover the story. He then went to Yashoda Maiya and told her that now he is a big boy and wants to graze cows outside of home in different forests of Vrindavan. At first, Yashoda Maiya nahi mani and told him he is too small to go outside and work. But somehow or other he convinced her. Yashoda Maiya agreed but told him that he should first seek permission from his father Nandji. So Krishna then went to Nand Baba to ask him that if he can go and start grazing cows and take care of them. कृष्ण जी ने अपने पापा को भी कन्विंस कर लिया, लेकिन नंद बाबा ने कहा he can only start his work from the day which is aligned with stars. So go and call our family pandit. When Krishna ji went to call the family pandit, he told the priest that he should give today's date only, and in return Shri Krishna will give him loads of makhan. When Pandit ji was checking charts, he was very confused and couldn't find any Shubh Muhurat. Then Nand Baba inquired the Pandit ji that what was his concern, why does he look so confused? Pandit ji ने उनसे कहा that charts देखकर he cannot find any Shubh Muhurat other than today, and that the next Shubh Muhurat is again in the next year's Kartik month Shukla Paksh Ashtami, which is same day but next year. तो कृष्ण जी आज से ही गैयों को चराने लेके जा सकते हैं. This clearly shows that if Krishna wants, he can easily align stars in your favor, like he did for himself. इसके बाद जब यशोदा मैया was dressing Kanha and she got jutis for him, he told her now similarly get jutis for all his cows. तो इस पर मैया ने कहा this is not possible. How can all the cows wear shoes? Then Shri Krishna told her that if his cows are not wearing shoes, how can he wear the shoes? He then decided to go for grazing without shoes every day. Some scriptures also say that Shri Krishna post this day till the age of 11 years before leaving for Mathura didn't wear any shoes. It is believed that on Gopashtami, anyone who does prayers and tilak of Shri Krishna, Lord Vishnu and cows is blessed with Riddhi Siddhi, and Shri Krishna always blesses and stays in that family. सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, it is said that wherever cows are respected and taken care of, Shri Krishna always surrounds that place.